Hey everybody, back at it again for another day. Forgot to put in that bolt to hold the balance shaft, and I don't remember exactly where I got to put the bolt. I will at least put in the crankshaft seal because I got that one. I got the fancy metal clad seal, so that way it's a little closer to factory, so I will accept it. I'm done dealing with this coolant. Don't let me forget that rag is there. It's alright, I cracked it loose. So now that I got my bolt marked at 74 millimeters, now I'm going to be putting it in at the back of the block to take care of holding the rear balance shaft. Of course I can't access the back one with this, because why would it be possible for me to use the same tool to take off all of them? I assume that is all of the bolts on this. Now I gotta get angry at the prop rod for being in the way. This is uncharted territory, so I really want to be super careful with this part. Yummy. It's an angle cut gear, so when this pops off, this rotates. Now I need to look back at the notes and get angry because I have to keep looking back at the notes. I'll give you the short answer. No, it's not right. This needs to line up with that mark there. So it's only off by about a tooth. But I lined up the cam gear, that's what matters, right? Probably plug you in like that. You definitely do. Grab a good old trusty pair of vice grips and the old timing belt and bump the camera. Alright, nice and tight. I think that's a good point to call it a night. So, I will see you tomorrow. Well, I guess you'll see me tomorrow. Bye. Today I'm going to be rotating the engine and making sure that the timing belt is all good. And then after that putting on the balance shaft and then some other stuff. Yup, gloves. I don't know, can you tell if this has 250 some odd thousand miles? I can. I'm gonna pull the spark plugs out because I forgot to do that. There's a little bit of oil in the spark plug too. It's still definitely not the worst I've ever seen. Slippery. I forgot to hit play again. So you missed a lot of jokes. Not really, you missed a couple. I got the timing belt all figured out, and I got some bolts in the wrong spots that are now in the right spots, which is always good. Are we ready to put the balance shaft on? I think I am.
Have a little teeny belt.
That says don't pry on the belt, pry with tools. Gloves are coming off. That kind of looks right. That is not a lot of tension. I feel like that should be tighter. That must be right. Right. Must be. Because I said it twice. Now, big boy on there. Holding rod is out of the balance shaft. Alright. Dang it. Front balance shaft is off by 1 tooth. Rear balance shaft is spot on. Maybe that is right. No. Well, I feel like it might be a little bit forward. It's so hard to time these while these are in the car. If you can't get a straight shot to see if these hash marks line up with the flat plane of the cylinder head. Definitely can't see that timing mark anywhere other than right here. 12mm south. Where the heck are ya? Don't think I put it back there. Not in that parts tray there. Not the 10mm. Drop there. And this parts tray over here. So, I think with that tensioner tightened down, I think that's it. I think that's right. I do feel like that tensioner doesn't provide enough tension though, so I'm gonna just do that. That's right. I got all the bolts cleaned up. That's where I was going. I was going to grab the timing cover and remember that I didn't put the gasket on it yet. And this is gonna be fun because the gasket does not snap in like the other ones. That is a mighty fine looking timing cover though. Yeah, it's probably gonna get messed up anyway when it goes on there. That's what happens. So this timing cover is an absolute pain in the buttocks to get on there. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of UV glue on here. Well, I guess it will just have to be close enough. Of course. Then it would have issues lining up with the engine. You're almost dead. Oh, 1%. Wow. Glad I caught that. Just a minor modification there. Sounds worse. That is the best it is gonna get. That's the spot. See, there you go. You can't find a tap. Use a sacrificial bolt. And really hope this is gonna work. Oh, that is a tight fit in there. Ow! I have deduced that it'll be alright. Hopefully. Well, that looks like the timing cover is on. Sweet. Now the fun part. That's good enough, right? No, it's definitely not. Oh, did I leave you on the whole time? Yes, I did. Hi, I'm back. So, it is 181 foot-pounds. Goes up to 147.5. That do not help me in this situation here. Okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Just gonna use the 3/4 inch drive set and tighten it up. Alright. That is better not come off of it. I would say that looks good. Okay, I didn't pause you. No, I did not. So, Valve cover is kind of clean. And a gasket. Oh, it's so nice. Here, special tool, pizza hose. We put the spark plug in there. I have a rebuilt distributor that I am putting on, plug wires, coolant hose, because that is not the right one, gasket here, thermostat, some heater hoses, new power steering pump, new O-ring for that line, and we got the dipstick, and I'm rambling, and I'm ready to go. So, I will see you tomorrow.